welcome back to my channel, and hello and welcome if this is the first time that you've seen my face. Then my name's Tara. I do makeup tutorials and things like that on my channel, so if that tickles your fancy and you feel like sticking around, then by all means press the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get updated every single time that I upload a new video. And why wouldn't you want to do that? That was cringy, but still, I post videos every Monday and Friday on my channel, occasionally on a Wednesday as well. I'm really sorry guys that there wasn't a video up on Friday. I've been working so much at work just lately. We've had someone leave, so we've had to cover some shifts, so I do apologise for that. So I got up this morning, which is Saturday morning, and I thought, you know what, I'll just film me just getting up on a regular Saturday morning and get ready with me. So if that's something that tickles your fancy and you want to watch it, then stick around. Got up and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to film, show you guys how I get ready on a Saturday, day off from work. And this is the look that I've come up with today. It's very spring-like, it's very soft, it's very girly. So if that's something that you'd like to stick around and watch, then please do so. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, guys, and I will see you guys on the flip side. So I use the shampoo and the conditioner. So I got these ones from Home Bargains, but you can get them from Asda, Boots. On the weekends I like to do a hair mask, so I've been using this hair mask just lately and it's absolutely gorgeous. Start off with, I'm so sorry that I'm in my dressing gown. Normally when I'm getting ready for going out anywhere, I'm always getting ready in my dressing gown. I don't know about you guys, but the weather has just dropped really cold as well just lately. So I'm going to put some moisturiser on, and I'm going to be using my Neutrogena Hydra Boost Moisturiser. Again, this is one of my favourite products. I've been using it for a long time. It instantly cools and absorbs for radiant looking skin, and it really does what it says on the tin. And I have been using this for a long time and I absolutely love it. It like gives your face a drink of water. For primer, I'm going to be going in with my Radiant Primer from Primark. I cannot rave about this little primer because it literally leaves my skin with that glow from within, and I just love it. And at the weekend I don't like to go too heavy with my makeup, but I love my skin to look on point, and for £4 this little primer is like my best friend. This is the Balance Active Formula. This is from Home Bargains as well. It's 99p, and I kid you not, this is like done wonders for my skin. It's got gold collagen in it, and collagen is really good for like revitalising your skin, making it more plump, and your girl's not getting any younger. So I've been absolutely loving this. It rejuvenates and it firms, and it does exactly what it says on the bottle, and it is amazing. And like I say, it's only 99p from Home Bargains, and I've been loving this stuff. Anything to make my skin look younger. So I'm just going to rub that all in. I've been loving this foundation from Catrice, and I was watching Dramatic MAXX video on all the Catrice makeup, and I decided to pick up the HD foundation. I will link her channel below. She's absolutely amazing. She's an Irish YouTuber and I absolutely love her. And this is the HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. Lasts up to 24 hours and it's mattifying skin, second skin effect, and you get 30 mils. I paid £6 on eBay for this. I think it was eBay. And yeah, I absolutely love this. It lasts all day long and it really has good coverage, even though it's like a water-based, really runny foundation, but I love it. I've got mine in the shade 020 Rose Beige. if you're the same kind of skin tone as me. So that's about enough, and I'm just going to blend it all in. Okay, and I'm going to be using the Boohoo Cosmo highlighter. I got this in a little beauty box. I can't remember which one it was exactly, but I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to put little, literally just a few little dots. And use the beauty blender just to blend that all in. For concealer today, guys, I'm going to be using the Revolution Conceal and Define. So I'm going to be using the Conceal and Define from Revolution. This is in the shade C.5. I'm putting it in the usual areas, under my eyes, down my nose, a little bit on the forehead, on the cupid's bow and chin. I'm also going to pop some of this onto my eyelids, just so we can prepare them for eyeshadow. I'm just going to blend that all in with my sponge. This is a Real Techniques sponge. I really want to try an actual beauty blender, but they're so expensive. And your girl's on minimum wage, so. For setting powder, I'm always going to use it because I love it, and it's my loose mineral powder from Primark, and it's £2, and I've got mine in porcelain, and I love it so much. So just setting everywhere that I put the concealer. So to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using my Rimmel Stay Matte powder. This powder I've been using forever and I absolutely love it. And it's one of the best powders for setting your face, in my opinion. I mean, I have tried the Fit Me and I love that one too. But I will go back to this one time and time again. I've been using it since I even started out with makeup. I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline City Bronzer. I love this bronzer. It's so soft and like subtle, and it just lights up your face basically. So I've got mine in medium warm 250. I'm going to use this big brush from Revolution. And I'm just going to bronze up the face, give it a bit more warmth, because at the minute I'm looking like a ghost. For blusher, one of my favourite blushers is the Milani Illuminoso. My favourite blush. Spray my face because we've got so much powder going on, and I'm going to be using my new favourite setting spray, which is the Sunbeam setting spray from Primark. It's coconut primer water. It's £2.50, and my favourite primer water is the original primer water from Primark, but this is like its big sister, and I love it. Absolutely love this stuff. For highlight, I'm going to be using this, which is called Estate, and I got this from the beauty box, and it's fabulous. Look at that, guys, just look at that shine. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back, guys. Now, the eyeshadow palette that I've got, guys, is this one, and it's a Primark one. It's the Tropical Storms from Primark. I picked it up a few weeks ago, haven't used it. This palette was £4. And she looks like this. So I'm just going to have a play around with this today. So I'm going to bring you guys a bit closer so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So the first shade I'm going into is this shade and it's called Opal, and I'm just going to pop that all over the lid just to set any of that concealer down so we've got an even base. So I'm going to go into this shade and it's a nice brown transition shade and it's called Creme. Then I'm going to go into this shade here which is called Posy. So I'm going to be using this little glitter metallic shadow, and this is in this shade Illusion, and I'm just going to cut the crease with that. I'm just going to go into this little shimmery shade which is called Dusk and pop that all over the top using the same little brush. I'm not putting on any falsies today. I never normally do at the weekend. I just, unless I'm going out, then I'll just leave it like this. Obviously I'm going to put some mascara on, but I won't be putting false lashes on today. I'm going to be using my Lash Contour Mascara 3D Curl Lengthening Mega Volume Mascara from Primark. This is not sponsored by Primark, by the way, guys. I really wish it was. Only joking, kind of. But yeah, I absolutely love Primark products, so now for lips I'm just going to keep it casual, and I'm just going to use a nude lip liner. This one is from Natural Collection and it's like just a nude lip liner. Then I'm going to be using the Stay Matte Liquid Lip Colour from Rimmel, and this one is in Strapless. And then on top of that I'm going to be using my High Shine Lip Gloss from Primark. The video, guys. Really hope you enjoyed it and have a fabulous weekend, and I'll see you soon. Stay beautiful. Bye guys, love you all.